This is not UFO, but it might be a Ulkapin with what we say asteroid. It's like a fireball, and I just came to my balcony. What do you guys think? What is this? This is something a strange object, I guess. A kind of fireball, and I can see here in the sky from my balcony from Kahilipada. Let's see. It's not moving also. It's in the same place. You can see. Let me zoom. See how much I have to zoom if I have to take a view of this. Yes, this much. It's not moving also. See, you can see like this right in. Wait, let me go to my terrace if I can see the. It's not star. Oh, what? I don't know. It's a kind of fireball in the sky. Because when we zoom it, I can see only fire. See, I'll just show you once. Yeah, like this. But it's not moving, it's in the same place. Big place. It might be a Ulka pin. Let's see. But if you can catch this from your mobile lens, that means it's not so far. Yes, Deep, it's in the south direction now, but it's not moving, it's in the same place. Yes, yes, Manisha. Manisha, I'm at Kahili Pada. And I guess this can't be seen from the naked eyes, so using my mobile lens, the maximum zoom I can, that also is working. Yes, Bhaskar, you can also see, just go to the terrace and just see on the south direction. Sunny, you can also see, bro. You can also come to your terrace and you can just check it out. If you are at Rian's place, I think that will be a, you will have a better view of this.